Good day, my name is Jennifer. Today we're going to focus on adding insurers onto your Veculum system. This will just be a short training video on the how-to. If you move over to Veculum on your software system, you'll see on the People tab that all the icons are listed for you just underneath that. So for today, for the purpose of today's video, we're going to click on Insurers, which will then open up the insurance companies window for us. Now this will be a list of all the insurance companies that you've created previously already. We are going to click on the Insert button and then start adding our insurance company's details for us to add the record. Please note that all your pink fields are required fields and your white fields are all optional. So on the Update Insurance Company window, let's start by adding the insurance company. So let's just say the new insurance company for now, as we're not working with real data. If you have the name of the contact person, you can always enter that. Another required field is the phone number. So let's add a landline number for them. Now, if the phone number is the same as the fax number, you can always make use of the little arrow on the right-hand side here, which will then copy the phone number field to the fax field, and you will see they are the same. If not, you can always just enter the fax number there. There's also a cell phone field as well as an email address. So you will see for the insurance company, a little bit different to the brokers and assessors, is the postal address is a required field on here. So we're just going to say PO Box 100 and then say Cape Town. Let's add the postal code for Cape Town as well, which will then be 8000. All right, now the next field that we're going to look at is the defaults parts markup for this specific insurance company. Most of the time you will make use of the 25%, as you know, but if should it differ, you can always just enter your default parts markup over there. You also have a field here that is optional, as you'll see that it is a white field. For the parts markup other, now this will include second-hand and XXX parts. Should you have a different markup for the insurance company for those specific parts. Alright, so also on the left-hand side over here, you will see that there's a Permit Sundries Addition box, checkbox. It is ticked in this instance, but you can always untick it should you not make use of the sundries for that insurance company. For this specific record, I'm going to tick the checkbox so that we can enter the information here. Now, as you know, your sundries percentage will always be 1 or 2%. For now, let's just enter 1%. The sundries maximum, we always like to make use of the 1000, just to make sure that most of your jobs will then give you that little bit of leeway to get to the 1000 as the 1%. Now, on the right-hand side, if you take a look here, you'll see that there's also another checkbox. Use default labor rates. So basically what this means is when you did the setup for your specific panel shop, you had the panel beating, strip and assembly, and paint default rates that were entered. Now, should you want to make use of the default rates, you can always just tick this checkbox. If you want to enter different rates for the specific insurance company, you can then add the panel beating, strip and assembly, and paint rate for that insurance company. For this specific record, we're just going to tick that box. Once you've entered all the information required, you can then click on the OK button to save this record. Because it is a new insurance company that we've added, Veculum is going to bring up a data validation window for you. Note, no debtor account selected. Do you wish to create a new debtors account? At this stage, you can always say yes. Veculum will then go and create a debtors account for the specific insurance companies in the background. Alright, so you will now see the new insurance company listed here with the little man on the left-hand side, just to show you that it is an insurance company that we make use of on a regular basis or just a new entry we've created. Now, should you wish to change or add any information, You can click on the Change button. It will open up the new insurance company details for us, and we can then go and add any information, new information that you received. Like for instance, let's say the email address will then be accounts@newinsurancecompany.co.za. That's how you will add any new information. You can then again just click on the OK button to save that record. Alright, so I'm going to close this window down. I'm going to take you to the Work tab. Let's go and click on the quotes icon over there. Click on the Create button. So what I basically want to do is just show you how to add your new insurance company on your quotation that you are now creating. So third from the top on the left hand side, you can click on the Insurer tab over there. And as you can see here, you can add the broker, insurance, and or assessor for this specific quotation that you are busy with. Now to choose the new insurance company we've just created, you make use of the search button or the magnifying glass on the right hand side. If you click on that, it would open up the insurance companies list for you. We can then go and choose our insurance company we've created, the new insurance company. Click on select and you will see that Veculum will add this company for you. Also, please note the warning that Veculum is bringing onto display for us here. The reason for this is that the sundries allowed by the insurer differs from the current values on the quote. It is asking you if you wish to override the quote values with the insurance company values. At this point, you can always go and select yes or no. We are going to say no at this stage. And then once you're done with your quotation, you can just save that. And that is just a simple way to add your new insurance company onto your Veculum system. We hope that you will join us again soon for some of our other training videos on the docs page, docs.veculum.com. That's all from me. Thank you. Bye.